Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen about summary of the poem. Now, we are going to discuss related questions and answers of the poem Grandma Climbs a Tree. Question number 1. The speaker in the poem does not call his grandmother childish. What else was she according to him? Why does he consider her to be so? Actually, the poet does not call his grandmother childish. He thought she was a genius because she could climb a tree, whether the tree was high or big. Even at the age of 62, she had this gift since childhood. Second one, Grandma had been in the habit of climbing trees for a very long period. Identify the lines that suggest this. Ever since childhood, she had this gift. This line suggests that the grandma had been in the habit of climbing trees for a long period. Third one. Look at the lines 7 and 8. She would be told, who do you think would tell her so? I think her family members, well-wishers, and neighbors would tell her so. Question number 4. Do you find anything odd in the reply given by the grandma? If so, why do you think it is odd? Yes, I find something odd in the grandma's reply. Somebody told her to stop climbing trees, but she replied that she would grow disgracefully and she could do it in a better way. It means she didn't want to stop climbing trees. Question number 5. Others had feared that Granny would fall from a tree one day. Did this happen? Or did something else happen? Answer for this. Granny did not fall from the tree. One day, when family members were in town, she climbed the tree but could not come down. Question number 6. What had the doctor recommended? What was the reaction of the kids to this advice? After the rescue of Granny, the doctor took Granny's temperature and recommended her a quiet week in bed. By hearing this, the kids sighed with relief and tucked her up well in the bed. Question number 7. Quote the lines which suggest how wholeheartedly Granny enjoyed climbing a tree. The lines are as follows. First one, when last she climbed a tree, she was 62. Second one, for being happier in a tree than in a lift. Third one, she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. Question number 8. My dad knew his duties. What did he think his duty was? Answer for this. One day, Grandma told her son that she didn't want to lie in her bedroom and wanted a house in a treetop. So the poet's father knew his duties. He agreed to fulfill his mother's desire at once because he was an obedient and loving son. Question number 9. Rhyming words. Answer for this. Gift, lift. Agree, tree. All, fall. Right, tonight. Told, old. Question number 10. It was like a brief season. Name the figure of speech in the sentence. What are the two things compared? Explain. Answer for this. The figure of speech is simile. Granny was confined in her bedroom and tucked into her bed. This was like a brief season in hell. Question number 11. For being happier in a tree than in a lift. What is suggested through this line? Exchange your views with your partner. Here, the poet suggests or explains that Granny was being happier in a tree rather than in a lift. Ever since childhood, she had this gift.